So I'm always telling people they need to create videos to market their business to the public. But the question I get a lot is, well, what types of videos should I make? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 different videos that you can make that you might not have thought about. I can really market my business that way? Well, of course you can. Here we go. All right, video number 1, client testimonials. Do you have clients that have raved about you and gone on Facebook and typed up a good review for you, or gone on Google and found your map and your page and all that stuff and just written all these wonderful things about you? Well, it's probably a good idea to contact those people or contact some other clients of yours that would be willing to get in front of a camera, be asked some questions, and just talk about the kind of quality service that you provided them or the product that you provided them that they just love and can't get enough of. Video number 2. Have you ever thought about your About Us page or your Who We Are page on your website? Well, think about it. What if you pulled that page up and it wasn't just a picture, like a headshot picture of you and all of your employees? What if you got creative and you made a video about your workspace and about the special work that you guys do, and add a little bit of personal stuff in there? Talk about that you love to drink coffee every day, or when you get off work, you like to go walk for 30 minutes to process the day. Just different things like that to add like a little personal touch to the video and a little personal touch to your About Us page. The nice thing about this video is it can be used in your social media marketing, not just on your About Us page. It can be used everywhere. Video number 3, frequently asked questions. I'm sure your business gets bombarded with questions about, how do we do this? What do you do if you do that? Blah, 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 blue, blue, blue. So what do you do about this? Sometimes you're answering the phone and you're answering these questions a lot. Other times you're typing out emails. More times than not, it's just wasting your precious time where you need to be working or managing. So what you can do to stop all these questions wasting all of your time is you can create that video. In the video, you can read the frequently asked questions and then answer them right there on camera. And then when you get emails or you get somebody calling you with one of these questions, you can say, hey, I'd love to help you out. Let me point you to this video that we created and it should answer all of your questions. And if you have any more questions after watching this video, feel free to give us a call back. That will save you tons of time. Video number 4. Now these are kind of multiple videos. Social media marketing videos. So you can create like 30, 60-second videos just talking about little subjects that have to do with your business. And you can post those every day. You can post them to TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, all of the social media markets. If that seems overwhelming, just start with 1 a week. Start that way. And then as you get better and better at being on camera, post 1 every day. It's great for your business to be on social media, and the more you're out there, the more that you will be seen, especially with video. Video number 5, an informational video for your website. Now at Trussell Media, we suggest you put this informational video on the homepage of your website, because especially if you're driving traffic to your website through social media, through eBlast, through all these other marketing tools that you have, if you're driving people to the homepage of your website, there should be a beautiful informational video right there they can click play on and hear everything that you offer. So those are our top 5 videos that we tell clients that they should start making as soon as possible. If those 5 don't interest you, a few other ones that you could make are these. You could do a video about what to expect on your first visit. You could do videos on products, or here are some services that we offer. Those are just some other options that you could do. So I hope this video was helpful. If you need any help in the production of these videos that you're about to make, feel free to call Trussell Media and we can help you out. I'm Troy with Trussell Media, where we help businesses be seen with video. See you next time.